You probably know that modern life presents a number of unique challenges. On the one hand, we no longer have to struggle with survival from the elements, predators, or lack of resources. But on the other hand, we have developed a deep disconnect and blockages limiting spiritual growth, intuition, and lasting connection. This creates an array of difficulties like loneliness, sadness, distrust, emotional trauma, and it even has physical problems also. The Spiritual Awakening Academy, I will help you discover the hidden secrets that you've been holding back, that's been holding you back and prevent you from reaching your full potential. This transformative Spiritual Academy membership to unlock your true spiritual powers and connections. Spiritual Awakening Academy helps you build lasting connections with your ancestors, your spirit guides, your angels, and other dimensional beings. It's about empowering you with the knowledge, the skill, and the support so you can elevate, grow, and connect on deep levels whilst owning your superpowers and shining your light and knowing your purpose and value. Spiritual awakening, as the word implies, a ploy for old convictions, inauguration of an experience that is completely new and you have no previous knowledge of. In this journey, you will not only open your mind, exercise your body, your spirit, it will also help you find your soul, come to a spiritual understanding. A spiritual awakening is a shifting consciousness where we look at the world through the eyes of the spirit and not through the eyes of the ego. From this higher consciousness, as the world evolves around us, it's time for us to raise our vibration, connect to our energy of unconditional love, and leave the ego behind. You see the world through the eyes of spirit. The Spiritual Awakening Academy is for people who are at the start of their spiritual journey and need support, but it's also for people who are deep into the spiritual journey and need expansion. If you're interested in the chakras, energy fields, auras, manifestation, shadow work, connecting to your spirit guides, past lives, Akashic records, esoteric practices, alchemy, witchcraft, shamanism, angelic healing, meditation, journeying, and so much more, this really is the academy for you, especially if you want to connect to like-minded people who are on this ascension. And in the Spiritual Awakening Academy, you'll get live classes on many spiritual practices, quantum jumping techniques, spiritual connections, rituals, meditation, masterclasses, manifestation, powerful manifestation practices, shamanic journeying practices, angelic healing practices, energy healing practices, chakra healing tools, self-care tools, manifestation tools, but really, really powerful manifestation tools. You'll also have 2 monthly live coaching calls where you learn and practice the skills of the esoteric world. Also live master classes and a new powerful spiritual program. There is also over 20 spiritual programs that and it's evolving. It keeps getting bigger and bigger, that we practice and go deeper with the skills within enhancing what we already possess, allowing the dormant ones to come forth. So who is Anne Varney? Creating an award-winning multi-six-figure business as a single parent with 2 young kids at the time, whilst teaching full-time, creating not 1 but 3 massive burnouts. I knew it was time to change as my inner self, who I had created, was lost and trapped in my own creation. And as I thought I would be happy with not only the success but fulfilling what I thought was my passion, how wrong I was. So therefore, I travelled the world with real Rinpoches, Native Americans, shamans from Peru, druids in Scotland, to find the magic, spending in excess of £350,000, picking up psychological, spiritual and scientific tools. And I tell you this not to brag, but to show you the length of breadth of the skills that I've collected. And I don't want you to spend that kind of money, because it's be so much easier for you to actually learn from all that experience that I've actually collected over the 10-15 years of me being in the spiritual path. I bring these tools I learned from the best in an easy to understand application via an online portal, via video, audio and PDF teachings. And I absolutely love, and you probably see that, we're seeing people expand their gifts and live from their hearts, you know, going standing into their power and really fulfilling their passion, their purpose with ease. So for only £27 per month, and you can cancel at any time, by the way, you get instant access as soon as you sign up to over 20 plus programs. And I invite you to just go into your heart space and see if this resonates with you. And if you're listening to me right now, your spirit team have brought you to your destiny. And I welcome you with open arms to join our tribe, because it's a beautiful tribe, you know, no judgment, no anything. It's just to join in the beauty of the Spiritual Awakening Academy. And all you got to do is just click the link. That's it. So I welcome you right now, right in this moment. Thank you.